Hello, welcome back to Bill's Reading Corner, Reading E. Okay, so today we are going to talk about Little Red Hen Makes a Pizza. Here's a little red hen. I'll make a pizza, she said. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Here are her friends, pig and cow and horse. Will they help? Pig, will you help me put on the sauce? She asked. No, I'm too busy, said Pig. Oink, oink, oink. So Little Red Hen said, I'll do it all by myself. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cow, will you help me put on the cheese? She asked. No, I'm too busy, said the cow. Moo, moo, moo. So Little Red Hen said, I'll do it all by myself. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Horse, will you help me put on the mushrooms? She asked. No, I'm too busy, said the horse. Nay, nay, nay. So Little Red Hen said, I'll do it all by myself. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Little Red Hen put the pizza in the oven. Bake, bake, bake. Little Red Hen took the pizza out of the oven. The kitchen was messy, but the pizza smelled yummy. Pig and cow and horse came running. Oink, moo, nay, they said. Can I help you eat the pizza? Little Red Hen said, I should say no because you did not help. But I'll say yes because I like to share. So Pig and cow and horse help eat the pizza. Yummy, yummy. Then pig and cow and horse cleaned up the mess. Why? Because Little Red Hen was too busy. Okay, so this is for today, and thank you for listening. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.